Hello students, today we are going to start 6th class science subject. In this class you have 16 chapters. From this we are going to start your first chapter, sources of food. In this lesson, in the today's video we are going to learn 4 topics, and from that first is what is food. You all know that living things require energy to do various processes such as respiration, digestion, nutrition, circulation. All these processes needs energy. And where does this energy come from? This energy comes from food. So we can define food as everything we eat that gives us energy is called food. All the things such as vegetables, fruits, pulses, grams, eggs, meats, everything we eat that gives us energy is called food. This is the definition of food. Take your notebook and write it. Hope you have understand what is food. Now, why we need food? As I first said that we need food for energy. Food किस लिए चाहिए हमें? Energy के लिए. So the first thing why we need food is for energy. And why energy is important? Why we need energy? We need energy to do various works such as playing, such as to do a daily work. So indirectly we need food to do work. Second, we need food for growth. Without food we cannot grow, our body cannot grow. We need food for growth. Then maintenance and repair. We need food for maintenance of our body and reparations. अगर हमें कभी इंजुरी हो जाए तो हमारी स्किन अगर इंजर्ड है तो 3-4 दिन बाद वो रिपेयर हो जाती है. और वो क्यों रिपेयर होती? बिकॉज ऑफ द एनर्जी वी गेट फ्रॉम द फूड. एंड लास्ट इज फॉर healthier life. So students, we need food for energy, growth of our body, maintenance and repair, and a healthier life. Variety of food. As you know, our country is a country of diversity. In our country there are different types of religion, people, culture, language, and like that there is different variety of food. In our country, peoples on the basis of climate, religion, culture, and also time, they eat different types of food. To prepare different type of food, we need different type of material. So the material that needed to prepare food is called ingredients. The material that needed to prepare food is called ingredients. What are ingredients? मीन्स कि जब कभी भी हमें कुछ फूड बनाना है, फूड आइटम बनाना है, तो हमें कुछ चीज़ें लगती है, मटेरियल लगता है. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल चपाती. चपाती इज अ फूड आइटम. सो टू मेक चपाती वी नीड डिफरेंट मटेरियल. दैट इज वी नीड डिफरेंट इंग्रेडिएंट्स सच एज wheat flour, water, salt. These are the things we need to make chapati. So these These are the ingredients to make chapati: wheat flour, salt and water. From this we can make chapati. So students, like that, write down this definition and then make a table. Food items and ingredients. In this box you have to write a name of food item. For example, boiled rice. This is an example of food item. And then in this box you have to write the ingredients which are required to make this food item. So for example, for boiled rice we will need raw rice, water and oil. These are the ingredients to make boiled rice. So you have to write your own food items and their ingredients. This is the homework for you. Okay. So I hope you have understand variety of food. There are very much variety of food. Food is available in different vegetables. There are different fruits, different pulses, eggs, fishes. All these are the variety of food that we eat and which gives us energy. Sources of food. Sources means कहाँ से वो आता है, उसका सोर्स क्या है. हमने फूड देखा, व्हाट इज फूड. देन हमें फूड क्यों चाहिए वो भी देखा, वेराइटी ऑफ फूड्स भी देखा. बट अभी ये जो फूड है जो हमें एनर्जी के लिए चाहिए वो आता कहाँ से, वो देखना है. दैट इज द सोर्सेस ऑफ फूड. सो एज यू नो देयर इज वेराइटी ऑफ फूड सच एज वेजिटेबल्स, fruits, pulses, eggs, fishes, meat. These are the variety of foods that we have. So vegetables, fruits, pulses ये हमें कहाँ से मिलते हैं? Yes, right. We get it from plants. Then eggs, fishes, meats ये हमें कहाँ से मिलते हैं? Animals. So we can say the sources of food are plant and animals. There are two sources of foods. First is plant and second is animal. We get vegetables, fruits, pulses, oil, seeds from the plants. ये सब हमें plants से मिलता है. And eggs, fishes, meat, all this we get from animals. Okay, so I hope you have understand this video. हमने इसमें क्या क्या देखा है? फूड. फूड क्या है? जो भी हम खाते हैं और जिससे हमें एनर्जी मिलती है वो है फूड. देन हमें फूड क्यों चाहिए, क्यों हमें रिक्वायर्ड है? फॉर द एनर्जी. और एनर्जी क्यों चाहिए? अलग अलग काम करने के लिए. और हमें फूड क्यों चाहिए? फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ अवर बॉडी, ऑल्सो टू मेंटेन एंड रिपेयर अवर बॉडी एंड अ हेल्थियर लाइफ वी नीड फूड. देन वेराइटी ऑफ फूड जैसे कि वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स, ऑयल्स, सीड्स, मीट, फिशेस, ऑल दिस आर द वेराइटी ऑफ फूड. और डिफरेंट फूड आइटम्स बनाने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? इंग्रेडिएंट्स चाहिए. एंड इंग्रेडिएंट्स क्या है? द मटेरियल विच वी नीड फॉर फूड आइटम्स. These are the ingredients. And sources of food, there are two sources, plant source and animal source.